In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a domain from Google Workspace. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. Start by navigating to the Google Workspace homepage. If you manage Google Workspace for your organization, this should be familiar, but if not, simply search for Google Workspace in your preferred browser and click the link to their official site. Once you've reached the platform, sign in with the Google account that has administrative privileges. Selecting the correct account is critical, as only an admin can make changes to domain configurations. If prompted, enter your password to verify your identity, securing your account and ensuring only authorized personnel can make modifications. After entering your password, click Next to proceed to the Workspace dashboard. The dashboard acts as your central command center for managing various settings and configurations of your Google Workspace environment. Next, direct your attention to the Account section by clicking on the navigation menu within the Admin console and selecting Accounts. This gives you access to a range of account management tools. Within the Account section, locate and click on Domains. This section handles everything related to domain management in Google Workspace. Once there, you'll see different options for managing your existing domains. Select Manage Domains. Here you can handle all details related to your domains, including additions, removals, or tweaks. To remove a domain, look for the option to deactivate it. Clicking Deactivate is essential because it sets up the domain for removal. Make sure you are ready to proceed, as deactivating a domain will remove its functionality within Google Workspace for your organization. And finally, click on Deactivate Domain Alias or the specific domain you wish to remove. This final action will remove that domain alias from your list, and the domain will no longer be active or in use within your Google Workspace account. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a domain from Google Workspace. Always ensure the domain is no longer needed or in use before proceeding to prevent any disruption in your services. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching.